Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do PR01 project, which is running an engine. But we are actually running a real aircraft 172 Skyhawk, 182 Skyhawk, Skylane, Papa Tango right there, and right there, and we have an instructor with us, and Yeong will start a real airplane. So let's check the oil. We're going to we're going to check the oil, make sure if we have enough oil, and hook up the battery, do a pre-flight, and then we can start our ports.
That's going to be the minimum that we can run this one now.
So Yeong is getting a master class with the instructors right now.
Clear, bro!
As soon as it starts, what are your eyes going to? Oil pressure. Where is that?
Oil pressure should be...
It's a good thing I asked. Very good. Is that one turned? Go ahead.
A few moments later.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Alrighty. Clear, bro!
Okay. Oil pressure's good. 1,000 RPM. Beautiful start. 1,000.
We're just waiting for the airplane to warm up, and then after that we'll start taking notes of the manifold and engine RPM. Captain Yeong,
It was a good flight.
where did you go, Yeong?
So we had to correlate it back.
Nice. How was the flight, Cap?